Hello everyone, today in this episode we'll be discussing about off-page SEO trends for 2022. So guys, I'll be explaining and walking you through some of the most common yet important off-page techniques that you can incorporate if you are into the beginner level of your SEO journey. So come, let us get started. So the first thing is try to create a shareable content and get it shared across a lot of syndicated networks. For example, you can create a content on Medium and get it syndicated across the Medium or RSS feeds network. Now the purpose behind this is this will help you in making a brand amplification, which in short can help you with a wide range of backlink accumulation and also can amplify your outreaching signals. The next thing is outreach to your influencers. In short, you can do healthy outreaching activities, and you can also take some of the advanced help of certain strategies like the Harrow strategy or the skyscraper technique, which means that you can reach out to some of the influencers or some of the you can select some of the authoritative peoples on your space by creating a better content and reach out to them for linking back to your website in exchange of some pieces of information. So a healthy outreach can help you increase your referring domains and also can give you an ultimate push to your backlink agenda. Then you can contribute as a guest author. You can contribute as a guest author by providing a good amount of information to anyone who is looking to consume a particular information with the help of guest posting or guest author. But make sure that the website is not spammed and whatever you do that have a relevancy in significance to your niche or your brand. Leverage your social media performance, share useful contents or useful strategies related to your businesses on the social media platform. This will not only improve your social signals but will also increase the user engagement, which is a direct improvement, which will create a direct improvement to your SEO strategy. Then we'll be discussing about social bookmarking, forum submissions and directory submission. Now the thing is, these three are quite outdated, yet I'll recommend you to perform if you're on your beginner stage, because these techniques really helps you to get a good amount of referral traffic and direct traffic, and also can help you to increase your backlinks count. Now the thing is, backlinks have always been a ranking factor and will continue to be a ranking factor no matter what. I know Google never tells you the same, but this is a fact. Backlinks act as a voting signal, which is a direct proof that the more the number of healthy backlinks you have, the greater is the chances for you to appear high on the rank. But yes, the condition is don't spam and make sure that you are providing useful information while doing a social bookmark submission, a forum or a directory submission. Then you can engage on article submission or Q&A submission, such as getting actively engaged in Quora, or also posting useful articles on Tumblr or on hub pages, by which you can link with any particular keyword directly to your target landing pages, and that can instantaneously boost your keywords well up high in the search results. And at the same time, getting engaged in Quora for a Q&A sessions or on Ask FM for Q&A sessions can actively increase your engagement as well. Our next part is entirely onto the creative submissions, wherein you can utilize images, videos and infographic for your submission purposes. Create useful and totally relatable videos, images or infographics in synchronization with your brand or services or products, and share them on video sharing, images sharing or infographic sharing websites. And this can not only make a good brand presence for your website, but at the same time can also amplify your brand's outreach and also can level up your referring domains, referring IP and backlinks count as a whole, and can give you the ultimatum push for your entire search engine SEO strategies. Last but not the least, you can focus on document sharing, Web 2.0 submission and press releases. So as a part of your content strategy, you can utilize this content submission off-page technique to make sure that you are sharing healthy contents into the Web 2.0 platforms, to make sure you are reaching out to the journalist for exchange of your business interviews or your business white papers in high-level press released websites or media websites. And last but not the least, you can also exchange document with document exchanging websites as well, in return for a backlink and also in return for a brand value linked anchor text, because whenever you link with these websites with the help of an anchor text, that anchor text becomes triggered into the search engine's eyes that you are trying to communicate that your entire website is all about that particular topic, and with the help of these off-page trends, your entire backlink or off-page SEO activity would likely to be leveraged up. Last but not the least, a bonus tip is about GMB. Always optimize your GMB, because that can also help you to attain a 3-pack optimization. I have put the link in the description where I have made an exclusive video on how to optimize for 3-pack or your local SEO. Thanks for watching.